What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, guys. Your boy Ryan LFC. The 2019-20 English Premier League, Liverpool FC versus Leicester City. Brendan Rodgers versus Jurgen Klopp. Brendan Rodgers was a former manager for Liverpool FC. Jurgen Klopp take over from Brendan Rodgers. But guys, this game against Leicester City is going to be a tough game. Can Liverpool win 8 from 8 in the English Premier League? That would be a good achievement for this Liverpool FC team. But guys, Brendan Rodgers coming to town, first time back at Anfield. He want to upset this Liverpool team. He want to stop Liverpool from winning that English Premier League because Liverpool sacked Brendan Rodgers. So he have a revenge to take out on this Liverpool team with this Leicester City team. Guys, this game against Leicester City, Liverpool going to have it very tough. They're going to have it very tough. Liverpool are come off a 4-3 victory over Red Bull Salzburg. Liverpool are come off a 1-0 victory in the English Premier League against Sheffield United. Leicester City are come off a 5-0 trashing to they trash Newcastle 5-0 at home. Leicester City have a lot of confidence. Leicester City have some very good players can hurt this Liverpool team. And I strongly believe this Liverpool team, they have to be very patient in this game against Leicester City come Saturday, guys. But I strongly believe Liverpool can beat this Leicester City team. But guys, it will not be easy. The key thing for Liverpool has to be patient in this game. Patient is the key because Brendan Rodgers is going to set up his team to catch Liverpool on the counter. Vardy, they have very good player can hurt this Liverpool team. Barnes, Evans at the back. So this Leicester City team, they have a very good goalkeeper, Peter Schmeichel, at the back. So them very solid at the back and they're very solid in midfield and going forward. They can score a lot of goal. They show it against Leicester, against Newcastle. Say they can score a lot of goal. Leicester City, Liverpool first in the English Premier League. Leicester City third in the English Premier League. So Leicester City is one of the teams going to push to break in that top 4. And I strongly believe Leicester City have a great chance to come in the top 4 and compete against Arsenal, Chelsea, and also Tottenham and Manchester United, because Leicester City have a week, every single week they have to recover and build and train and rest properly to play every single game. Because Leicester City don't in Europe, they don't in the Europa League. Man U in the Europa League, Chelsea in the Champions League, Tottenham in the Champions League, Arsenal in the Europa League. So them 4 teams that where Leicester come up against, they're going to play 2 or 3 matches a week. You understand, guys? So I think Leicester have a great chance to break in that top 4 this season. I strongly believe that Brendan Rodgers is a very good manager for Leicester City. He moved from Celtics and come to Leicester City. And Brendan Rodgers, has to be fair, he done a great job at Liverpool, but in the last season, he make a lot of mistakes. He lose the dressing room, but he go to Celtics and rebuild his career, win trophy after trophy in Celtics, and come back in the English Premier League up against this Liverpool team. He want to upset this Liverpool team, guys. And I strongly believe Leicester City have a chance. They can break Liverpool hard and they can stop Liverpool from go 8 match. Win 8 match, consecutive match in the English Premier League. I strongly believe that Leicester City, they have a very good player. Key player to look out for this Leicester City, Vardy. He's full of pace and he know how to score. He always score against Liverpool. He have a decent record against Liverpool. He always score against Liverpool. So Liverpool has to keep them eye on Jamie Vardy. They're going to spray that ball behind the defense. Liverpool like to shoot up and give forward a lot of space behind the back line to run. This is where we're going to in problem. We have to nullify Vardy, his threat we have to get behind that Liverpool defense, guys. So, if Liverpool can keep it tight at the back and do not concede in this game first, Liverpool have a great chance to win this game. And Liverpool just come off a 4-3 in the Champions League against Red Bull Salzburg. In that game, guys, Liverpool defend very poorly in the first half, and I know in the second half, and I know Brendan Rodgers going to show Vardy that Liverpool can get at, they can give up goal because they do not look great like last season where the Liverpool defense built off defensing. So Leicester City, looking at this video, Liverpool play midweek game against Red Bull Salzburg. See Red Bull Salzburg get behind this Liverpool defense a lot and score 3 goals at Anfield. That's going to give Leicester City and Brendan Rodgers and Jamie Vardy a lot of things to think about. Say, yes, this Liverpool team, they can get behind this Liverpool team. But guys, I strongly back Liverpool to win this game. I strongly back them. I think Liverpool going to too strong for Leicester, but it will not be easy, and we cannot take this game very lightly. We have to take this very seriously because Leicester is one of these big teams up there. If Liverpool can do the right thing in this game, I strongly believe Liverpool will win this game. Midweek, every single time Liverpool play in the Champions League, I saw it 2 times now, midweek game. We play in the Champions League, I will play in the Super Cup, and I will play against Man City in the Community Shield. Every time Liverpool play 2 matches in a week, guys, we look a little bit tired, especially in the second half. So, Leicester, keep it tight. Swear Liverpool weakness if them going to tired because they play against Red Bull Salzburg in the Champions League. That match was very difficult for Liverpool. So Leicester, keep it tight. If you can go into the second half and 0-0 or a 1-1, do not make Liverpool score in the first 35 minutes. Do not make them score 1 or 2. You have to keep that. Keep it tight. Brendan Rodgers, this is what they asked to tell Leicester City because they asked to ride in that storm at Anfield because Liverpool at Anfield, they are very good. They're unbeaten at home for the last 2 years. So it's not going to be an easy show over Leicester. So you have to keep it tight. Every time Liverpool play 2 games in the week, guys, Liverpool look a little bit tired, especially in the second half of them. So Jurgen Klopp has to work on that. He has to make change, you make change. You have to work on that. But if Liverpool can perform how they perform against Red Bull Salzburg in the Champions League in that first half, Andre Robertson, Trent, them very important to Liverpool going forward. And Brendan Rodgers has to stop Trent and Robertson. He has to shove them back. He has to come to Anfield with a little bit, a lot of confidence. Say you can get a result at Liverpool and you can get 3 points at Liverpool. Once you nullify Liverpool front 3 and the wide area where Liverpool going to attack, you have a great chance. But it's impossible. If you lock down Mo Salah, you have Roberto Firmino turn up. And if you lock down Trent, you have Andre Robertson turn up. So that's going to be a tough. Guys, the last 5 times Liverpool play Leicester City, Liverpool won 3, Leicester win 1. And 1 draw. So Liverpool have a decent record against Leicester. But whenever the football start, no matter how you have a good decent record against the team, football do not play on paper. You have to go out there and earn that. The farm team coming to this game, Liverpool, 7 from 7 in the English Premier League. Leicester City, their last 5 games they play, they win 4 and lose only 1 to Manchester United. So Leicester City have a lot of confidence coming to this game. They win a lot of match. 3rd in the English Premier League. They have a point. Brendan Rodgers have a point to prove to Liverpool fans. He's good enough to coach Liverpool. He's going to want to upset this Liverpool. But I strongly believe Liverpool will too strong for this Leicester City. But guys, it's not going to be easy. The most important thing Liverpool has to do in this game, they has to be patient. They has to take their chance when them get it. And they has to defense much better than how them their defense last game in the Champions League against Red Bull Salzburg. So, guys, let me know your thought. What you think about this game? Do you think Liverpool going to go 8 from 8, or you think Leicester City will stop this Liverpool team? And I strongly believe Liverpool strong for this Leicester City team. And I am going to predict a 2-1 victory for the Reds. My team, Liverpool. Guys, if you're new around here, consider hit that subscribe button. Until next time, from your boy Ryan LFC, peace out. Thanks for watching, guys.